let's get it. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back nod. Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap box? They said I rap like a robot, so call me Rapbot. For me to rap like a computer must be in my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket, my pin will go off when I half cock. I get a fat knot from that rap prof. I made a living in the killing office. Ever since Bill Clinton was stealing office with Monica Lewinsky feeling on his nutsack. Yo, cut the beat, Jimmy. This song is way too long, and I know what you guys are here for, so let's not waste any time. Listen real good, Judy. This is what you could have had. Similar when you were assuming I'm what I gotta do to get through